Hi viewers, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you what I brought on my trip to Norway and what I bring for motorcycle camping alone. This is everything that I use for camping alone and with friends. This is my toolkit. It's a general toolkit. It's from Oxford, if I don't remember. Yes, if I remember correctly, yes, it's from Oxford. But I did add these two keys. Of course there is the universal one, but these two is for chain slack regulation. You need at least one, and the universal to chain to check the chain slack. I brought both because they work well and because it's easier for me. Another thing that I also every time bring, it's a knife to cut, eat, and for in emergency situation, self-defense against animals. Another useful item that I always bring, it's this. It's from Xiaomi, but I know there is other brands to do as well. It's a tire pressure pump. This it's a cable for motorcycle helmet meter. Both two types of meter. This is for the chain, this is for general use. Medical equipment, mandatory in some European countries. I always bring. It's very light, there's the usual stuff inside, and tools for punctures. So if I have punctures, I have tools inside here for my bike to fix the tubeless tires. Gorilla tape, always very useful. This is literally something that nobody brings, but really saved my life a couple of times. Electronic tape if you need to do some work. This is an emergency blanket. If you are cold, it will save your life. It will not keep you warm, it will just save your life. I also bring a hat. This one is from the Agnello Treffen. It's cute, I like. And it's warm actually, so I bring this just because it's warm. And normal gloves, because when it's cold and in winter, having a extra pair of normal gloves and not the one that you use with the motorcycle that sometimes are wet, it's always good. I have to wash, as you can see, but this was it for camping. Jump starter, they are expensive, but they can save your life. If you're alone, especially in Norway where there is nobody around, always bring with you. Sleeping bag, as you can see, it's 5 degrees comfortable and 0 degree limit, if I'm not mistaken. But I slept in -17, so I guess it's okay. Mattress. This is a sponge mattress. In very cold condition like -17, I do not recommend sponge mattress. I recommend air inflated mattress. The problem with air inflated mattress is that they tend to have punctures and fail, and they are later expensive. So I recommend you buy either a very good one that it's a puncture resistance, or an extremely cheap one that you can replace many times as you need. And this is my tent. It's a 3-person tent. It's the Fresh and Black from Decathlon. It's a 65 euros tent. It's completely waterproof. I forgot to record the other stuff that I bring, so here we go. Ratchet strap. I have 4 of them. They are cheap, they can be useful in some situation. Gas for camping, with of course it's a burner. A mercury rod, which is useful for lighting fire even in a rainy situation. Very easy to use, always helpful. A rubber hammer for pitching the tent. This is from Decathlon. There's a pen and a small pen and a big pen, and inside there are 2 cups, fork, knife, everything for 2 person. A light for the tent. This one is for your head. This one is for the tent itself. And finally, this is my latest addition. A hand saw to cut the wood. So this is what I bring usually for camping. If you are going on a long trip like I did in Norway, I'm gonna use both of these and these two. And this is for extremely long trip. And I put my tent in this bag. Wait, let me show you. In this GV bag. It's a 40-liter bag. I put my tent in here and put in the saddle bag right here. I also always bring, of course, I forgot to tell you, lube and cleaner. Cleaner I bring only for long trips, because with the jet lube you can lube your bike and it's okay even if you don't clean every 1000 kilometers. So this was around a short video, but I hope that I was helping you for your own trips. I hope you liked, and if you did, remember to put like in this video and comment if you have any question, and see you next time.